At the end of 2019, our team completed the design of our new pod frame. This is an aluminum space frame design, and it's only about a quarter of the weight of our previous ladder frame iterations. Now, with this huge improvement in design and performance, however, came some manufacturability challenges. Our team really didn't have the resources or the tools to weld an aluminum frame like this. And so we started looking around for some companies that might be able to help us out. We found one right here in Kitchener-Waterloo called Brent's Welding and Fabrication. We met up with Brent and went over our requirements, and right away Brent was really enthusiastic about working with us, and he agreed to manufacture and weld our frame.
So our mission here at Brent's Welding is to service a wide variety of customers and create an end product that goes above and beyond their expectations.
Right from the start, Brent was really enthusiastic about working with us. Brent really ended up becoming involved in our design process. With his industry experience, he offered us some advice and design implementations, which helped us increase the strength and the manufacturability of our space frame. During the manufacturing process, he even invited us into the shop so that we could learn some welding techniques ourselves.
I started welding in my parents' garage when I was 14 years old, and from there I expanded into starting a business, and over time the word spread and we became a incorporated company.
The frame was almost complete when the COVID-19 pandemic really hit Ontario in around March. We had to suspend our manufacturing and testing operations. And of course, all across Ontario, small businesses were massively impacted as well. Despite all the difficulties, Brent continued to follow up with us and give us updates on the progress of the frame. This is really what sets Brent's Welding apart from any other company. The level of customer service and the passion and dedication for our project, our team, and I guess the broader community are really something special.
What intrigued me the most is that you guys were working on the Hyperloop project, and I've always been a fan of Tesla and SpaceX myself, so I figured what better chance to get involved with this type of work than accept this project. And helping out the team has been a great experience, and I really enjoyed putting this frame together for you guys.
Without Brent, it would have been extremely difficult to manufacture our frame. We're so grateful for everything that Brent has done to support our team. We're beyond excited to finish assembly of our pod and test out the frame. And we'll be really excited as well to share more updates with you soon.